love, suspense, heartbreak. All wrapped in gripping Turkish storytelling, now with English subtitles on YouTube. Welcome to Turkish Drama Notion. Here are 10 must-watch Turkish series, emotional, romantic, and binge-worthy. Let's begin. 1. Love on Duty, Gizli Saklı. This series brings together romance, crime, and comedy in the most unexpected way. Naz is a rookie cop who follows every rule. Pamir is a charming detective who makes up his own rules. They're paired for an undercover mission as husband and wife to take down a mafia boss. But the more time they spend pretending to be in love, the more their feelings start to feel real. Will duty come before desire, or will their cover be blown by their own hearts? To see what happens when fake love turns real, dive into this gripping series. 2. A Tale of Roses, Gul Masal. The story of this drama revolves around Gonca, a smart engineer who inherits a rose garden from her late mother. She moves from Istanbul to Isparta, where fate leads her to Toprak, a quiet, kind-hearted lavender farmer. As love blooms between them, hidden secrets about Gonca's family begin to surface. The peaceful garden soon becomes the stage for emotional storms. To see if love can survive the thorns of the past, don't miss this floral tale. 3. Just Smile, Gülümse Yeter. This romantic comedy begins with a disaster, a collapsed wedding, a bankrupt family, and a runaway bride. Yasemin's rich world crumbles overnight, and she ends up under the same roof as Sarp, a man with a totally different life. As chaos turns into connection, the clash of classes leads to unexpected sparks. Full of humor, heart, and hope, this is a feel-good ride you won't want to pause. To see how two broken lives rebuild something beautiful, start watching now. 4. Fairy Tale Love, Seferin Kezid. A love story that begins in childhood but gets torn apart by fate. Sankar, a poor but proud boy, falls for Nare, the daughter of a powerful ambassador. Their love defies all odds until tragedy strikes on their wedding night. Years later, Nare returns with a child and everything changes again. This is no longer a fairy tale, it's a battlefield of love, betrayal, and redemption. To uncover what tore them apart and what might bring them back, press play on this emotional rollercoaster. 5. Dream, Rüya. Elif dreams of a better life, and those dreams feel real when she meets Bullet, the heir to a textile empire. But love doesn't come easy when your families are from opposite worlds. As romance blooms, envy and schemes grow around them. Elif's strength is tested at every turn, especially by a cunning stepmother who hides deadly secrets. To find out if dreams can outshine darkness, this story is your next binge. 6. Melik, A Mother's Struggle, Benim Adiem Meleka. This powerful drama is about Meleka, a woman who walks through fire for her family. A divorced mother of 3, she returns to her childhood home after years, only to face a harsh diagnosis. With cancer threatening her life and traditions testing her spirit, Meleka holds her head high, fighting for her children's future. Every episode is a tribute to a mother's love. To witness one of the strongest female leads in Turkish drama, this is a must-watch. 7. Tale of Ashes, Gul Masal. Ozge is a rising chef who falls head over heels for Arat, a rich heir with secrets. They marry quickly, but her dream life becomes a nightmare inside his grand but cold mansion. Family pressures, jealousy, and dark power games begin to suffocate her. Will Ozge find the strength to reclaim her life and love on her own terms? To see how one woman fights back against tradition and control, Start watching this gripping tale. 8. A New Life, Yani Hayat. Adam, a former soldier, is hired to protect Yasemin, a wealthy man's troubled wife. What seems like a simple job soon turns into a dangerous emotional entanglement. Yasemin wants to break free, and Adam might be her only way out. But in a world full of lies, nothing is what it seems. To discover if love can bloom in a house of secrets, don't miss this intense story. 9. Ladyville, Hum Koilu. This once light-hearted yet rich in emotion. A modern city man falls for a woman from a village run by strong, independent women. To win her heart, he must embrace her world and her rules. Meanwhile, a second love story unfolds between Sir and Nouriye, lovers separated by fate and reunited by destiny. To enjoy laughter, love, and village charm, this series is a breath of fresh air. 10. Lodestar, Koban YLDZ. Zuhre is forced to marry a dangerous older man, but escapes on her wedding night. She finds unexpected refuge with Said, a stone carver with a strong sense of justice. But the past is never far behind, and danger soon follows. Their bond deepens as they fight for freedom, love, and survival. To see if light can shine through the darkest night, this one will keep you hooked. From small villages to grand mansions, these Turkish series bring powerful stories to life. And the best part? You can watch them all right now, with English subtitles, on YouTube. If you loved this list, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Turkish Drama Notion. Which drama are you watching first?